Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into all things beauty with a fresh perspective. Today, let's talk about something many of us are always on the lookout for, the perfect eyeliner. If you've been on the hunt for a product that promises precision, durability, and a sleek finish, LORAC's Pro Precision Liquid Eyeliner in Liner Black might just be the one to watch. It's water-resistant, long-lasting, and boasts a cruelty-free formula. But does it deliver on these promises? Let's find out. First things first, the LORAC Pro Precision Liquid Eyeliner is a liquid makeup designed for those who crave sharp, defined lines with minimal effort. Its smooth finish and water-resistant formula make it ideal for all-day wear, and the fact that it's cruelty-free only adds to its appeal for conscious consumers. This eyeliner is particularly designed to give you bold, precise lines, whether you're aiming for a cat eye, a bold wing, or a subtle definition along your lash line. In terms of formulation, this eyeliner stands out because of its smooth texture and long-lasting power. The liquid glides on effortlessly without any skipping or tugging, which is essential when you're working around such delicate areas like the eyes. The pigmentation is intense, providing that deep black color you'd expect from a high-quality liquid liner. Now let's talk about my experience with it. When I first applied the liner, I was impressed by how easy it was to get that sharp, clean line. It's got a precise tip that makes application a breeze, even for those who might not be the best at doing their own eyeliner. I tested it throughout the day, and I found that it stayed in place without smudging or fading, even after a long day of work. It also held up well in humid conditions and during light sweating, which is great for anyone living in warmer climates. One of the major strengths of this eyeliner is its water-resistant formula. You can wear it through the day, and it won't budge or smear, even if you accidentally rub your eyes. The only downside I noticed is that it can be a little tricky to remove at the end of the day. You'll need a good makeup remover or cleansing oil to get it off without tugging at your delicate eye area. Let's go over the pros and cons. Pros: super smooth application with no skipping. Long-lasting and stays in place all day. Water-resistant, making it great for those prone to smudging. Cruelty-free formula, which is a big plus for conscious consumers. Easy-to-use precision tip that allows for both thick and thin lines. Cons: removal can be a bit tricky, requiring a strong makeup remover. It can feel slightly dry after a few months, so it's important to keep the cap tightly closed. As far as value for money goes, the price point of LORAC's Pro Precision Liquid Eyeliner seems justified. For its performance, staying power, and cruelty-free status, I'd say it offers a solid investment for anyone looking for an eyeliner that won't let you down, especially for those who need long-lasting wear. Comparing it to other liquid liners on the market, this one stands out for its precision and longevity. There are certainly cheaper options out there, but many of them don't offer the same level of control or staying power. If you're someone who's constantly battling smudges or faded lines, this liner could be worth the splurge. As for build quality, the packaging is sleek and sturdy. The applicator is precise, and it doesn't feel flimsy or prone to damage, which is something you want from a product like this. Its longevity is also notable. After several uses, it still applies smoothly and doesn't dry out too quickly. When it comes to customer service, LORAC is known for being responsive and helpful, though I didn't have to reach out for any issues with this product. Finally, let's talk about alternatives. If you're on a tighter budget, there are some great options out there, like Maybelline's Hyper Easy Liquid Liner, which offers a similar precision tip and long-lasting formula, though it might not be as water-resistant as LORAC's offering. So, what's my final verdict? If you're looking for an eyeliner that can handle everything from a casual day at the office to a night out, LORAC's Pro Precision Liquid Eyeliner is definitely worth considering. Its precise application, long-lasting formula, and water resistance make it stand out in a crowded market, though the removal process could be smoother. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. The link to purchase will be in the description or comments box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.